मुश्किल हो जाती है. Okay, many times there are emotional issues, there are conflicts, there are disputes, there are things which doesn't take the group further, and we need to dissolve it and restructure it and so on and so forth. So these are all learning exercises which we are missing right now, but I'm making a point to mention it in the class so that you can imagine, because that's how we are actually bound to study in the virtual environment. Okay, nevertheless, by explaining the exercises, I'm trying to also reflect that the inference or reflection of the group later on, when we come back to the own positions and then discuss among the groups that have been formed, they reflect with their learnings. Okay, तो वो self learning हो जाती है. I have given you a direction, you play a game or an exercise, and then you come up with your learnings, and then you are in a better position to relate the learnings with the concept in the given in the books, कि what was my experience, क्योंकि that experience teaches you more. Okay, so accordingly बहुत अच्छा impact पड़ जाता है learning में. So I'm trying to bridge that gap by explaining the exercise and giving you all the also the sharing of experiences of the earlier groups that I have taught OB earlier to certain groups, especially when we talk about team building and group structure. Size, role और resources matter a lot. Accordingly वो exercises बहुत अच्छा बन जाता है और reflections बहुत अच्छे आ जाता है वहाँ पे. Okay, so you all come up with the reflection कि how, what is the importance of communication, what is the importance of evolving leadership, what is the importance of structure that should be given in a form, what is a formal and informal way, because sometimes in a group there might be few students, those who are working, they come up with a very different way, solution of forming a group, assigning the roles, because they have gone through that environment. So और एक अलग ग्रुप बन जाता है जहाँ पे वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स शामिल होते हैं, और that gives us a formal structure, and we also can compare between a formal and informal environment as the group is concerned. Then we also can talk about किस ग्रुप में ज्यादा मेंबर्स थे, किस ग्रुप में कम मेंबर्स थे, उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स क्या है, what were the challenges they faced, what were the difficulties, how did they try to overcome, what helped them in decision making. Okay, accordingly the group learning can be discussed. We saw the hare and tortoise story and we reflected on it as well. I explained you all the exercise and group various aspects of group. Coming forward, there is this one small clipping which I would like to show. I hope it works. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the screen is not visible. Okay.
It's not visible.
No, you can see the PPT only.
Just a moment. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it is audible also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's smarter to travel in groups.
I hope that was quite self-understanding. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
value of working in group, the value of being in group, the value of it could. Can you give certain reflections on these three funny sharings just now? Any reflections, quick reflections?
I think through group, I mean the people of group, we can achieve our target, or maybe
We can
we can perform well.
we can perform well, and can you see the security that took place in the third clipping? Okay, for that matter, for all these three clipping, the another important aspect of working in group is the kind of a security level you feel, and the kind of a confidence you have, both बरकरार रखता है रहता है ग्रुप में, and together we can achieve more. When we say this quote, it is well reflected here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. And in second one also the leader telling them how to form a circle, and then so that was also one
That
point.
was a symphony kind of a thing,
Yes.
isn't it? That is a team effort which was properly channelized by a leader,
Yes.
right? So you need to understand when you are a follower and when when you are in a leader's role, because when you do multiple projects or multiple you work in different companies, at one company or in one group you are a leader, maybe in another company or another group you might be the follower. You need to appreciate and give justice to both the roles wherever you are. So that environment is very important for you to understand that what is your role, and you need to be aware about it, and you need to appreciate and respect the roles, isn't it? I'll just take this minute also to it is not diversion, but definitely it is going to help you both in your grooming, probably in your communication session it might have been touched. But then when we talk about group discussion, all of you, those who are aspirants for jobs and those who are doing the jobs, but they may go for a better option, there are multiple ways that the interviews are taken. So a part of the recruitment process also is group discussion, where you are given you're exposed to a group discussion, a subtitle is given, and you are a part of the group, maybe of your same college or maybe multiple colleges students, they come there. You may know or you may not know many of them most of the time. Okay, so your behavioral pattern over there is going to get you the job, or lose that opportunity. Any reflection on this? I'm talking of group discussion, GDs. Any reflection, those who have experienced it? आपका वो कम्युनिकेशन में हुआ है क्या ये चैप्टर, ये टॉपिक, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, सॉरी ग्रुप, या GD?
No, ma'am. Group discussion अभी तक नहीं हुआ.
Anyone who is exposed to GDs before or might have gone through it? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. In organization we have,
Mhm.
if we have some lectures or something in between, they give us a topic and form a group.
That is
So
a group
वहाँ पे
activity.
हाँ,
That is a group activity.
नहीं
It,
जैसे एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है फॉर डिस्कशन,
हाँ.
और डिस्कस करो, उस पे पॉइंट्स करो, एंड देन डिबेट ऑन दैट पॉइंट्स
So the debate takes place among the groups or within the group.
within the groups. Sorry, among the groups, the
So
different
that is a
groups.
collaborative learning. That is a different thing. It is
Okay.
called as a collaborative learning.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज अभी बताए ना, कि मैं पिरामिड बनाने के लिए बोलूंगी पेपर कप्स का, या फिर आई गिव मैथस्टिक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, फॉर्म ग्रुप्स एंड आई आस्क यू ऑल टू मेक ट्रायंगल, मैक्सिमम ट्रायंगल जो बनाएगा उसको विनर में घोषित करूंगी. या फिर आई आस्क यू टू वर्क इन ग्रुप्स एंड आई अभी जो एक्सरसाइज दिया था, I may give you a story or a case. I'll ask you to solve it, and then I'll take the learnings from all of you. That is group activity, not a group discussion.
Okay.
It's a collaborative activity. It is the collaborative learning method. Each group has the team structure, and they come up with the learning on that same para, and then they contribute to the discussion. That is a collaborative approach of learning. Now when I'm talking about particularly group discussion, it is I can consider it from two different aspects. It is basically predominantly the group method of recruitment. Okay, that is, during the recruitment process, I may have as a company, for especially the freshers, group discussion GDs को expose किया जाता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इंटरव्यूज की भी बहुत सारे अभी नए मेथड्स आए हैं. जैसे एक पिक्चर दिया जाता है और उसके ऊपर आपको 2 पैराग्राफ्स कॉम्प्रिहेंशन लिखना है. इसमें आपका दो बातें आपकी टेस्ट की जाती है. लाइक टेकेम में ये होता है प्रिडोमिनेंटली. We used to interview candidates. Okay, I was one of the panelists, so I can explain you all ki there are two aspects which we were evaluating the candidates. Number one aspect is uh, what is the communication level of that particular student, how that person is writing. The writing skills are analyzed there, okay, and rated. Number two, definitely the mindset of that candidate aspirant is checked, because a particular picture is given. Say a girl is holding a picture of health in her hand, and in a deserted area she is holding that uh, board. I can have so many reflections and so many replies and so many answers to it. Just imagine a board saying health by a girl, girl child in a deserted area. You cannot imagine, hundreds of stories have come up on that single board. Many were positive, but most of them were negative also. Few of them were just neutral, very few. But then negative were more. A girl child holding a kind of a banner in a deserted area. See, whenever you interpret the things, your mindset किस तरह से दौड़ता है is tested in that particular thing. Nothing is right and wrong. It just gives us a understanding of your mindset through what you're going. Please remember, these are psychological nitty-gritties. Psychological पैंतरे होते हैं, ये tricks होते हैं for us, for as employers to select the right candidate. Because company किसी एक phase में से जा रही होती है. Every company has a different phase in which it goes, as per the reflections, as per the response to the economic crisis or critical situations or boom phase, you can say. Okay, now whatever the economic market situations are there, accordingly I need to actually work on my project. Okay, because company situation will make me select the candidate. So don't be surprised by not getting selected or getting selected whenever such kind of different kind of methodologies are implemented. The purpose of that particular method might be only known to that team जिनको मैनेजमेंट ने डायरेक्शन दिया है कि किस तरह का हमको एम्प्लॉय चाहिए. समटाइम्स पुअर कम्युनिकेशन होने के बावजूद भी उसका माइंडसेट देखा जाता है और उसको सिलेक्ट किया जाता है. एंड समटाइम्स कम्युनिकेशन एक्सीलेंट है लेकिन माइंडसेट उसका बहुत ही अलग तरीके से काम कर रहा है, विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर दैट फेज through which the company is going. They cannot afford to. Are you following what I'm saying? Yes, that is the significance of the interview method. When a picture is given and you're asked to give the reflections with 1 or 2 paragraphs. Also the speed matters. How fast you are in getting those things. Quick analysis. ये third point है. तो ये 3 बातों पे हमने analyze किया था और rating किया था बच्चों का. Okay. Now, when we talk about, this is one method which is innovative thing which I thought I should share with you all. The other thing is group discussion, wherein group concern matters. जैसे आप individually बहुत अच्छे हो, proficient हो, well mannered हो, you are the best person as an individual. Okay? जब आप ग्रुप में काम करते हो तो आपका बर्ताव कैसा है ये हमको टेस्ट करना रहता है. Okay, तो GDs में you may never know when you are a part of that group, you start interacting, or you are a silent observer. Okay, probably there is one person, बहुत सारा discussion होने के बाद you are contributing or you are not contributing, अलग अलग roles emerge हो जाते हैं and we are observing कि हाँ ये आदमी बोलता है, बहुत ज्यादा बोलता है. Sometimes he doesn't give time for and respect for other members to even speak. He is very dominating. ऐसा होता है कि किसी को बहुत आता है तो वो दिखाने की कोशिश करता है, nothing wrong in that, but you have to respect when other person is speaking or trying to put the point across. We are observing. ऐसा नहीं कि जो ज्यादा बोलता है उसको जेडी में बहुत सारे मार्क्स मिलते हैं, no. You need to be very good observer of how the group is getting evolved and how you need to put your step forward. There is one person who emerged as a leader. अभी बहुत सारे लोग बात कर रहे हैं और एक आदमी बात ही नहीं कर रहा है बिकॉज उसको डर लगता है, फर्स्ट टाइम जीडी फेस करा रहता है वो उसने, एंड प्रोबेबली ही माइट नॉट हैव सम पॉइंट्स आल्सो, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Now after some time, not in the beginning but after some time, one person points out the other person, would you like to contribute in some way, what is your reflection? Now this shows the leadership quality कि सारे बात कर रहे हैं अपने खुद के लिए, लेकिन ये बंदा खुद ने उसने कंट्रीब्यूट किया रहता है, ऑफ कोर्स ओके, लीडिंग बाय एग्जांपल भी होता है ये. और कुछ समय बाद, बिकॉज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कुछ समय बाद, इनिशियली अगर उसने पॉइंट किया तो उसका वो सप्रेस हो जाएगा कि अरे बाप रे, मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन ये पहले ही इसमें मेरा नाम लेके मुझे बोल रहा है. दैट अदर पर्सन विल गेट क्लोज्ड, स्विच्ड ऑफ. After say 2-3 minutes, at the middle of the discussion, when there is a total chaos, सब लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर हावी हो रहा है, ये मेरा पॉइंट है, ये मेरा पॉइंट है, ये मेरा रिफ्लेक्शन है, ये मेरा, आई थिंक दिस शुड बी इन दिस वे. ओके, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव थिंग्स ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आ जाते हैं. One person he is observing, he has contributed, and after 2-3 minutes he identifies the silent person and he ask everyone to cooperate, to be silent, and ask that person who is a non-contributor, provokes him to speak, makes him comfortable to speak. Okay, probably he may utter a word and this person is actually asking, supporting him. Okay, aapne, do you mean to say this? Okay, do you mean to? So that person is getting involved now, who was a silent observer, a non-contributor, is also now contributing in bits and bytes. I, as a person, when I am a recruiter, I will identify you that okay, this person is really having some leadership potential. If we groom that person, he can be an asset to my organization. Okay, whereas other person who is going on contributing, he feels that he is the best, and the other people are just, their point is not very good, or they are not good communicators, or their English is not good, and he is just trying to come up as a best person. I may reject that person. I don't want people who just want to boost and just want to have their flag ahead and suppress the team members. That is going to spoil my current team also. Are you following, students?
Yes, ma'am.
एक ग्रुप में बहुत सारे रोल्स आ जाते हैं. We are going to talk about the expected role, we are going to talk about the perceived role and the actual enacted role. There are multiple roles जो होते हैं ग्रुप में. रोल एम्बिग्विटी होती है जो आपको मालूम नहीं रहती, वो रोल्स इमर्ज हो जाते हैं. ओके, समटाइम्स द रोल्स कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी होती है. ओके, समटाइम्स सपोज अगर मैंने उसको चांस दिया, किसी और को वो पसंद नहीं आया, ओके, एंड देन दैट पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू कट द कम्युनिकेशन, ऐसे भी होता है. या द पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू डोमिनेट द अदर पर्सन who was a non-contributor and trying to be a part of the team. Okay, it becomes very difficult in such kind of conflict situation wherein the other people should support the leader and then that conflict is resolved. अलग अलग रिजल्ट्स आ जाते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. ओके, इट इज वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर अ पर्सन like me or the employer to really observe the group properly, mark the team members, mark what that person has behaved, what he has contributed, how he has contributed, how the group has responded to a particular role. ये सारा ऑब्जर्वेशन हम लोग करते हैं. ओके, आउटपुट जो भी हो, आउटपुट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि कौन जीता एंड कौन हारा इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन. The most important thing is how you have evolved in the role that you have played in that group. As an individual, you are a person A or person B. But when you come into a group, how you react, how you behave, how you gel with the group, how you evolve in a particular role, these all things matter. Are you following, friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Also in a group, एक तो कोई आदमी लगता है जो इनिशिएटर का रोल करता है. आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन दैट. पहले तू या पहले मैं, ये करते करते बस निकल जाती है ऐसा ना हो. And then sometimes the management or the recruiter has to intervene and okay ठीक है मैं शुरू कर देता हूँ, या फिर he or she pinpoints someone who is looking into the eyes of that person. Now I'm putting you some clues across कि when I'm looking, suppose a person is looking at me, I know that this person is knowing and he is a confident person. As a recruiter I know उतना तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाता है एक्सपीरियंस से कि कौन बोल सकता है कौन बोल नहीं सकता एट द आइस ब्रेकिंग स्टेज. क्योंकि जो आदमी शाय है, जो आदमी के पास पॉइंट नहीं है, that person will not have that confidence in looking into the eyes of that particular recruiter. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि घूरते बैठ जाओ, फिर ऐसे मत करो, लेकिन एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल आंखों में दिखता है. दीज आर द बॉडी काइनेसिक्स. ओके, तो इनिशिएटर एक रोल होता है. ओके, देर आर ब्लॉकर्स, देर आर encouragers, there are leaders, dominators, there are energizers. All these roles get evolved when the group is formed. Okay, you need to be you need to understand which role you are playing. Be cautious, be alert. Okay, there are roles called as harmonizers also, क्योंकि conflict हो जाती है तो उनमें सुलह करने का काम भी लोग करते हैं कुछ. Okay, और ये unplanned रहता है. You just evolve. Okay, you don't plan for it कि हमें ऐसे करने वाले, because you don't know what is going to happen in the group. Okay, ये evolve हो जाता है. You need to understand these. Okay, so they possess some common characteristics, as we have already talked about this slide. We also have talked about the nature of the group. We talked about the meaning of group dynamics yesterday. We have talked about the fundamentals of group dynamics. We also talked about further aspects of fundamentals of group dynamics, and we were talking about norms. We were talking about characteristic of a mature group, how the group gets developed. I think this was the slide which we should consider for today's session as well. Okay, so characteristic or understanding what is a mature group. Okay, members are aware of each other's assets and liabilities. I know your strengths and weaknesses. Individual differences are accepted. ठीक है, weakness किसमें नहीं होती, but that doesn't mean that it should be stamped on. Okay, differences किस ग्रुप में नहीं होते? Differences सभी ग्रुप्स में हो सकते हैं, because all of us are individual, unique individuals. Are we accepting the differences? Maybe we can resolve it in a different way. We may come to conclusion in a different way. But you cannot just rebel. You cannot revolt against a particular difference which has come. Okay. One of my boss used to say कि क्या बोलते थे वो? I just forgot that in Marathi he used to say. Like the understanding was there should be differences on a particular point and not differences in your mindset. Okay, mana bhedata asu naye. I just forgot that first word in Marathi. मतभिन्नता असू शकते, मतभिन्नता असू शकते,
मतभेद ना.
हा, मतभेद असू शकतात पण मनभेद असू नये. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? सच अ ब्युटिफुल कोट. मतभेद असू शकतात, आपल्या फॅमिलीमध्ये पण मतभेद असू शकतात, पण मनभेद होऊ देऊ नका. आर यू गेटिंग द क्रक्स ऑफ इट?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the characteristic of that. Yes, you are matured enough to handle the situation, to handle the group. It could be a formal or an informal environment. Okay, the group's authority and interpersonal relationships are recognized. Okay, that acceptance level aa jati hai maturity se. So don't be panic if something doesn't works right now, because you all are at a very early stage, infant stage we can say. Okay, probably you're just going to enter the organization, or you all are beginners or freshers, but see that you think twice on your own. हमने earlier sessions में देखा है कि self awareness and self empathy is so important. Yesterday also, if you all have attended the Women's Day ceremony, so many personalities have talked about that you need to love yourself. You need to, at the same time, you need to be aware about what are your strengths and weaknesses. आपको आप खुद को अगर नहीं पहचानोगे तो how you are going to actually defend yourself with the other person as you are saying that you are good or you are whatever you are. If you don't know yourself, you don't have any right to actually boost. Do you know yourself? You should ask yourself first. Okay, so you need to have that empathy. Okay, हमने pampered child case में भी वो हमेशा देखा है. Keep on giving this example, right? That girl, a pampered spoiled child. Okay, and then we talked about the okay quarrels. We talked about the Maslow's theory. We talked about one more thing, Johari window. All these things are going to apply here. These are not unassociated concepts. Please remember, organizational behavior का जो ये subject है, it's a huge subject. उसका एक पूरा ब्रांच है, जैसे हम साइंस से बोलते हैं, कॉमर्स बोलते हैं, साइकोलॉजिकल ब्रांच है ये. और ये होता है, ये सिग्निफिकेंटली अपनी जिंदगी में होता है, पर्सनल फ्रंट पे, वर्क प्लेस पे. सो यू नीड टू डेफिनेटली यूटिलाइज कलेक्टिवली ऑल दीज कंसेप्ट्स. कहाँ क्या अप्लाई होना चाहिए, you need to immediately associate it. That is the beauty of this subject, and that is the main thing how you can excel in this area. Okay, that is going to groom you. It is also one of the important grooming aspect, and building your confidence and positioning yourself in the world canvas, maybe on the personal front or maybe in the professional front. Okay, now, so group's authority and interpersonal relationship are recognized only if you have empathy. Okay, when to have a lower foot, when to put your foot forward, you need to have that maturity, that understanding. और वो आ जाता है समय के साथ. You know that, okay, this person is really making a good point, although that person is a younger to you. Appreciate, respect there also is required. For that matter, the elder person also might be good at some unique points which probably you have seen, maybe in your family or maybe in your team. And you should respect that person, not because only of the age factor, but yes, that person really deserves it. That person has really taken a very good decision in his or her life. In a particular situation, how that person has behaved has given the clues of what that person is. Situations teaches us. Okay, you need to be observers, you need to take clues from it. Who had played what role? You need to have that lesson learnings. Accordingly, your interpersonal skills gets groomed. You accept, आपका acceptance level भी आ जाता है. More importantly, आपका let go भी आना चाहिए. Don't carry the grudging things and complaining mode on your shoulders. वो baggage carry मत करो अपने life में. Shred it off so that your shoulders become light and you are a good flying bird. आराम से आप fly करते हो. Otherwise, if you take all the grudges, if you keep on complaining, if you don't let them go, let off करना सीखो, let go करना सीखो. Otherwise, you'll carry that burden throughout your life on your shoulders and it's going to harm you only. It will paralyze you only. तो interpersonal relationship develop करने का ये बहुत बहुत important point है. Okay, don't carry the grudges of earlier incidences on your shoulders. Shred it off, let go. Okay, and try to see with a new outlook. You will improve your interpersonal relationships. Okay, group decisions are made through irrational decisions. You have to be practical and logical. Okay, you cannot be always emotional, but at the same time you need to strike a balance. Conflict is over group issues, not emotional issues. Okay, don't take it personally always. अगर कोई किसी का मत प्रदर्शन करता है तो don't take it that it is the pointing to you as a pointing fingers to you. We assume it that way. That is a wrong notion. That person is actually looking towards that situation, not you. लेकिन sometimes हमको लगता है कि ये मेरे को ही टारगेट कर रही है या मेरे को ही टारगेट कर रहा है. ये अपना वहम होता है. And accordingly then things get wrong. Okay, conflict is over a group issue, not personal or emotional issue. You need to understand that. Members are aware of group's processes and their own roles in them. Okay, so as you grow, your maturity aa jati hai khud mein as well as in the group. It shows that all the members are aware about the processes. They are aware of their own roles assigned, because you play multiple roles in a group. You need not be just one person, okay, I'm an accountant and I have to do just the accounting thing. ऐसा नहीं होता. Or I'm a program manager or I'm a project manager and I have to just I will stick to my profile and do the thing and go home. ऐसा नहीं रहता. Okay, whether it is a formal or an informal group, you have multiple roles to play and not just one. ये awareness होना बहुत important है. ओके ये अवेयरनेस होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और हर एक प्रोसेस में आपका कुछ अलग अलग किरदार आप निभा रहे हो, ये आपको अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा खुद के लिए एज वेल एज फॉर अदर्स ऑल्सो. सो यू नीड टू गिव इट अ होलिस्टिक लुक. Okay, so that group cohesiveness is maintained. Now I have used this word yesterday. Cohesiveness mane strength of that group, inner strength of that group, inner bond of that group. Even though if there are differences, still that group comes up to be a strong group, a successful one. Okay, you can see here how the groups are formed around us. Have a look at this particular slide, how the group is formed. So many types you can see here. So many types. Just have a glance. Just have a glance. If you actually take example of larger organization, ये सारे यहाँ पे मिलते हैं as an example. All types. Okay, when a group is formed, you may be in a group or you may out of the group. When you are in, you are an active member. When you are out, you are out of the group, obviously. Okay, the group may be a formal group or an informal group. Okay, when you talk about a formal group basically is created by a particular role or a particular designation who is having that authority to delegate things, delegate tasks, delegate responsibilities. Okay, and in the earlier session I have explained you all what is the meaning of delegation. Delegation of authority hoti hai, responsibility nahi hoti. Okay, so I am assigning certain tasks, I am assigning certain responsibilities, and the members are given certain roles, they're appointed. Okay, like a committee is formed and uh, each committee has committee members. और एक चेयर होता है, एक ट्रेजरर होता है, एक सेक्रेटरी होता है, others are members, one person is report writer. ये सारे रोल्स में डिफाइन करती हूँ किसी फलाने XYZ ग्रुप कमिटी के लिए. That becomes a formal structure. That becomes a formal structure. Okay, so basically when a formal group is formed, उसमें authority रहती है, उसमें hierarchy रहती है, और certain group structure होता है, और उसको rules भी होते हैं, norms भी होते हैं, regulations, protocols भी होते हैं. Okay, so you need to follow that. Okay, so that is of a formal group. Okay, it could be a standing task group or it could be just a task group. Okay, now when I'm talking about a task group, it is a temporary group. वो task हो जाते ही वो dissolve हो जाता है. Okay, क्योंकि it is formed for a solving a particular problem for a temporary time. Okay, वहां पे वो लोग जो होते हैं फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, दे मे बिलोंग टू डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑल टुगेदर. एक अकाउंट्स में से है, एक प्रोजेक्ट्स में है, एक टेस्टिंग ग्रुप में है, एक मैनेजमेंट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, एक आउटसाइड स्टेक होल्डर है. It could be such kind of temporary group, task group. Okay, that is the task group, temporary group. When we talk about standing task group, it is a command group permanently formed in a particular organization. Okay, उनको फॉर्मल अथॉरिटी होती है जो किसी ग्रुप, किसी टीम को या किसी डिपार्टमेंट के टास्क को they have that authority to run that unit. Okay, so it's a command group जो बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे क्वालिटी सर्कल का ग्रुप हो, देयर माइट बी अ स्टैंडिंग टास्क ग्रुप जिन लोगों का काम ही वो रहता है. ओके, या इंस्पेक्शन का ग्रुप होता है. These are experts from 2-3 departments, but then apart from their own primary responsibility, they are also on the export board or export advisory board, or you have a expert inspection group. Or when there is some activity, this group is summoned, they are given the task, and this is a standing task group for maybe a year or maybe a span of 3 years. वो standing group रहता है. Okay, that is a formal way. Okay, now moving to the informal. Informal तो you are totally aware of. आप जब किसी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करते हो, वो एक इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप होता है बेस्ड ऑन मल्टीपल थिंग्स. अभी इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है, अलग से भी आ सकता है, या फ्रेंडशिप का बेस भी वो हो सकता है, बिकॉज आपके विचार मिलते जुलते हो, आपका एज मिलता जुलता हो, या फिर एज कोई भी हो, मे बी आपके लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स आर सेम. Okay, there are so many references. I cannot utilize the lecture more on that, but then friendship is one example. इंटरेस्ट का ग्रुप एक होता है कि आप फ्रेंड्स नहीं हो, लेकिन किसी वर्कशॉप में आप इकट्ठा आ गए, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट गोइंग फॉर दैट वर्कशॉप एवरी टाइम. ओके, या कोई मूवी क्लब हो, या कोई थिएटर ग्रुप है. These are out of interest. You are not good friends, like, for that matter. You are, yes, you have that friendship develop later, but then it has evolved as a interest group. Okay, या फिर it is a reference group. Okay, probably there is some kind of base for this reference group. Okay, outside the organization or inside the organization also, maybe based on your caste, your gender, your political interest, your religion, your maybe social environment, maybe based on your education, maybe based on your certifications. There are so many now certifications I'm talking about. For example, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग एनएलपी का सर्टिफिकेशन है, या फिर इन टेक्निकल पर्सपेक्टिव जावा सर्टिफिकेशन है. So there are so many certifications that may happen, like Six Sigma का certification है, या फिर there are so many quality certifications, there are so many HR certifications. Based on these reference groups, you may come up into a particular group for a in a informal way. Okay, that is the informal way of, you can say, groups. Then there are closed and open groups, change of membership. Okay, that is, these groups are classified as based on excuse me. As we know, one group differs from other. It could be changing membership, it could be change in the references, maybe maybe after certain amount of time you are no more relating to that group, so you change, keep on changing. Okay, so with on the basis of this, change of membership kind of groups also exist. Okay, these are relatively these type of members are relatively, what you can say, unstable membership होती है उनकी. कभी इस ग्रुप में, कभी उस ग्रुप में, based of their affiliation is based on what kind of, there are multiple factors basically. आपका interest, आपकी proximity, आपका जैसे Maslow's theory अगर हमने revisit की, तो उसमें से कौन से लेवल पे आप हो और कौन सी नीड आपकी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कोई ग्रुप, उसके बेसिस पे ये चेंज होता रहता है. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट देयर आर क्लोज्ड एंड ओपन ग्रुप. ओके, जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि ओपन ग्रुप होता है वो बहुत कम समय के लिए होता है. जैसे कोई क्लास एक्टिविटी है और मैंने आपको ग्रुप में डाल दिया, तो वो क्लोज्ड ग्रुप होता है कि वो ग्रुप वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए वहां पे बना है. ओके, that is a closed group. और open group, sorry, that is a open group. Okay, and closed group क्या होता है? Relatively closed group is having some kind of time frame reference. Okay, there is some significant what you can say, uh, significant amount of time that is being dedicated. Okay, so it's quite much stabler than the closed group. Okay, open group. ओके, वो चलता जाता है, मतलब उसके लिए कोई टाइम फ्रेम ऐसे फिक्स्ड नहीं रहती. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे ओपन ग्रुप सॉफ्टवेयर्स का ग्रुप आई कैन से. ओके, so it is an open group, anyone can make the changes in the software. That is an open group kind of a software. Okay, or a very simple example, there are open groups, maybe जैसे कोई रिलीजियस ग्रुप है या कोई मेडिटेशन ग्रुप है. वो मेडिटेशन ग्रुप चलता जाता है. Like I was in a meditation group 4-5 years back. Consistently I was there for 3 years, and later on, because of the other responsibilities and my other priorities, I'm not that frequent in that group. Okay, that is an open group. I'm always welcome there. It is not a closed group. Okay, लेकिन अगर क्लास में कोई एक्सरसाइज में मेडिटेशन की करना चाहती हूँ आपके साथ, or I may pull you all into groups, I may ask you to do a certain activity, class खत्म, group खत्म, that is a closed group. Strict time frame, closed group. Open group, time frame नहीं रहती वहां पे relatively. Okay, are you all understanding these types of groups, friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess I'm at the end. कितना टाइम बचा है? Yesterday abruptly मेरा ये session end हुआ, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला.
It's 8:20 now. I think we have 10 minutes.
10 minutes, क्योंकि yesterday कैसे हुआ ना, usually I have a habit like screen यहाँ पे चलती रहती है, and you know, to get the feel of the class, I close my eyes when the screen is there. I read the screen, I put a glance on the screen, and I close my eyes and I assume that I'm in a class. So that is my satisfaction, little bit of satisfaction level, that I assume all of you in the class, and I take the session. Okay, that kind of thing I'm experimenting. Okay, तो yesterday ऐसा करने के बाद वो स्लाइड कब, मतलब I was not aware कि कब वो वाईफाई का कनेक्शन बंद हो गया और I am out of the Zoom, and मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ next 2 to 3 minutes, and then usually after 2 minutes or 1 minute I have obviously to see that okay सब ठीक तरह से चल रहा है ना, and then I got to know that I'm already signed off and it is already 8:33. So I don't know where did I stop yesterday, and no one spoke about it in today's session also when we began. Yes, ऐसे होता है. I'm a typical professor. So types of groups. हंसो थोड़ा. हेलो. उसके लिए आपको
अनम्यूट करना पड़ता है.
sorry. Yeah, fine. Yeah, so this is another way of identifying groups. Formal, these are command and task groups, and informal based on interest and friendship. Why do people join groups? Definitely because of the proximity, interaction, and influence. Okay, this I just mentioned about, because sometimes you tend to join a group based on multiple interests. Whether आपका next door neighbor है, या maybe that person is very close to you, you meet very frequently, proximity, you interact very smoothly, और probably आपका same age का भी है, फिर भी आपके ऊपर कुछ influence है उसका, तो भी आप you because of that person you join the group. Okay, so proximity, interaction, and influence. Sometimes you have a secured feeling. Okay, you have that strongest feeling that ये group बहुत अच्छा है, and I am quite मला वाव मिळेल इथे आपण म्हणतो. Okay, यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ स्कोप है ज्वाइन करने के लिए. That security aspect comes up. Okay, and you feel confident and stronger when you are in that group. Okay, वो securedness की feeling आ जाती है. Okay, so that is security. Esteem. In Maslow's theory, we talked about esteem. Okay, to gain the esteem, that status, you being in that group, even that group is having some kind of respect towards you कि आप हमारे group में होना जरूरी है. You get that recognition, and that's why you are in that group. Okay, you associate yourself, or probably the other way around also. You are a tiny profile, and all the rest of the people in the groups are probably group heads, VP, and group directors and all, and they invite you, and you feel that, oh my god, I'm going to get a good lessons, I'm going to get good learnings, good and bad both. Obviously you feel very highly आपका status बढ़ जाता है कि आप इन लोगों में उठते बैठते हो. Esteem. Okay, so esteem, that is recognition. You get that recognition of being in the high status people, and the other way around also. Probably other are tiny profiles, and you being the VP, probably they need to have you in their group. Okay, it could be in this formal way, or it could be in say a theater group also for that matter. Okay, कोई भी group activity हो तो एक there are 2-3 people in the class जिन लोगों के लिए झगड़ा होता है कि नहीं ये मेरे ग्रुप में होना चाहिए, ये मेरे ग्रुप में होना चाहिए, या or there are few people, those who want to go in a particular group. Either way, okay. So that is because of the esteem. Affiliation, you enjoy the regular company of other people. Okay, that may be the base. Okay, because आपके match हो जाते हैं wavelength. You are affiliated. Okay, that is probably based on your background, from which you are come, maybe from rural or urban, just as an example, or maybe आपका likings एक है, आपको मालूम है. Okay, so you relate to that person very easily, or those group of people very easily. Okay, so whenever such kind of things happen, you have some perception about the एक डर भी रहता है बेसिकली कि अनसर्टेन एनवायरनमेंट आ सकता है आगे जाके, तो अच्छा है कि मैं रिलेटेड ग्रुप में रहूं. एक अगेन सिक्योरिटी फीलिंग आ जाते हैं वहां पे, दैट यू रिलेट टू देम, हेंस यू आर इन दैट ग्रुप. अगर रिलेट नहीं करती हूँ तो व्हाई आई एम देयर इन द ग्रुप, आई मे क्वेश्चन एंड आई मे बी आउट ऑफ द ग्रुप. ओके, so affiliation is important aspect. Power. Okay, now when we say united we stand and divided we fall, definitely there is a power in the strength of the group, cohesiveness. If the group is good enough, you are confident, yes, we have good group numbers, obviously with great characteristics, not just for the numbers sake. Okay, so there should be in such kind of group, what you can say, suppose you are having the potential of a leader, तो वाव त्या ग्रुपमध्ये मिळाला पाहिजे. वाव, not WOW, yes, that wow effect should be there obviously, but then there should be scope for your leadership abilities, capabilities. आपका हुनर वहां पे नर्चर होना चाहिए. Okay, so if you want to have in a power position in the group, you may opt a group because they want you to be in that leadership role. Okay, nobody is going to pull you down. That power experience probably is one of the base of joining a particular group. Recognition. Okay, you're basically, when I'm saying that self awareness hona chahiye, definitely that also gives a trigger to your behavior. Okay, so people may admire you, people may praise you, people may make fun of you, whatever may happen. Okay, so there is a possibility you are getting, rather I would say you are creating your own identity when you join a group. So आपकी एक आइडेंटिटी होती है, नॉट नेसेसरी अ लीडर. ऐसा नहीं कि सारे लीडर होना जरूरी है, नहीं तो फिर ये प्लैनेट नहीं चलेगा ऐसे. ओके, probably you are a great contributor, not a leader. जैसे I recall, probably I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but Sachin Tendulkar, I don't remember him as a good captain, but he's an outstanding, brilliant player. He has been a legend for India, right? Indian cricket team. Okay, so but then as a captain, probably I don't remember many great events that Sachin might be a great leader as in a leadership position when he was. Okay, so he's a very soft spoken and a very diligent fellow as far as the technical things are concerned. Probably he may not go in the managerial aspect. So there are great people, proficient people, those who are technically sound. Okay, but then they may not have the managerial ability. So ऐसा नहीं कि सबको लीडर होने की जरूरत है. You may be recognized also, you may create your own identity by your own strengths. I always keep on saying, isn't it? So maybe you may not come evolve as a leader, but then you are a great contributor. You are a lifesaver sometimes. Critical situation में आपको consult किया जा रहा है. What a level of identity you have. It's even sometimes greater than a leader. Okay, नैया डूबते डूबते बच गई. When somebody says you need to feel proud about it. That yes, even though I'm not a leader, I have contributed for my organization. Okay, और आपकी वो आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है कि यू नो समटाइम्स यू से ना मिडनाइट फ्रेंड, जैसे कभी भी 11th आवर का समय हो, फिर भी आई एम श्योर दैट इफ आई गिव अ कॉल टू दिस ए पर्सन, ही इज गोइंग टू स्टैंड बिहाइंड मी, ही इज गोइंग टू स्टैंड फॉर मी रादर in any critical situation at any time throughout the day and night. That person, I have that confidence in that. That is my identity. Okay, just say XYZ. I don't want to take a name of that film stars, but then a film star A is known for his social contributions. A film star B is known for the social cause. Okay, so such kind of identity banti hai apart from your own main typical profile which you have been into in. Okay, and the last thing is huddling. Okay, that is when we talk about uh, say कोई भी hierarchy है organization में. Okay, there is a proper way of communication in order to minimize the misinterpretation. क्योंकि कोई भी कैसे भी escalate नहीं कर सकता किसी चीज को. Okay, you cannot escalate bypassing your you can say rules, or maybe bypass your hierarchy. Okay, because organization may have some duties. Okay, now when you talk about huddling, it may compensate for a lack of leadership by taking collective and unofficial responsibility for getting the things done. ये एक informal way है. Okay, the huddling may be acting again, as I mentioned about life saving, in an informal way that will reduce the impact of or intensity. Okay, maybe आपका in an informal way you make a particular person comfortable. Okay, cool down, it's going to be well. Okay, because of that you are definitely identifying that group and joining that group. Okay, and the last thing, conformity and group think. Conformity is complying with the role expectation and norms perceived by the majority to be appropriate in a particular situation. Conformity enhances predictability, which is generally thought to be good for rational planning and productive enterprise. You need to think over it. We are going to talk about one case study on this. Quickly talking about group structure, leadership size and role is important for group structure. Leadership in a group is vital component, principal representative, responsible for direction and goal accomplishment, can reward when they achieve and as well as penalize the member when they are found guilty. Leadership role characteristics and influence differs in formal and informal group. Size matter, जैसे leadership is important, size also matter in a group. Whenever a task is distributed and whenever the problem is to be solved, problem solving में भी size matter करता है. I had asked you all to make one paper. Take a piece of paper and go on folding. Any reflections on that? Any
Yes,
reflections?
ma'am.
क्या
Yes,
हुआ?
ma'am. I tried.
कितने
Seventh
folds?
के 7th या 8th ही लास्ट में कर पाए, उसके बाद नहीं. I tried with small paper, I tried with big paper.
Those who have not tried, please try it out. कोई भी piece of paper, एक बड़ा सा पेपर ले लो, न्यूज़पेपर ले लो, या छोटा सा बुक का A4 size पेपर ले लो, कोई भी पेपर ले लो. This is something which is surprising. Yes, you may make perform this activity. Go on folding half, further half, further half, further half, and you'll see that it won't go beyond 7 or maximum 8. This is law of nature. A ideal team cannot be performing good, okay, if it is less than 5 or more than 5, or less than 7 or more than 7. तो 5 से 7 is the ideal size of a group. Now you will say कि अगर छोटा task है तो छोटा group बनेगा obviously, but this is the normal way. लेकिन अगर बड़ा task है और there has to be 25 people, okay, फिर भी that is a group. उसको team divide करो 5 to 7 members में. Okay, 5 to 7 members में ऐसा होता है. Accordingly the departments, sub departments and subdivisions, subsections form होते हैं उसी के लिए. Okay, for better communication, for better your resource utilization, better satisfaction and better membership also. क्योंकि किसको सबको हम happy नहीं रख सकते throughout your task. Okay, you need to identify their peculiar characteristics, their tasks, the criticality, how they are contributing, and this is only possible if the task distribution is made well with proper segmentation. Okay, and the last slide over here, you can take a snapshot of this. This is from the Ashwathapa this thing. I mentioned about in a group many roles are played. Some roles commonly played by group members you can see here. Some are task oriented, some are relationship oriented, and some are self oriented. I also talked about few of these roles when I gave you example of group this thing GDs, group discussions. Okay, so initiator or contributors are there, which is task oriented. They recommend new solutions to the group members, or they are the people those who take the initiative. Information seekers attempt to obtain the necessary facts. They are the resourceful, you can say very resourceful team member. Opinion givers, they share their opinion without any fear and very politely. Energizers, they stimulate the group into action whenever interest drops. Because it's bound after some time you may lose an interest, or your interest level fluctuates. So energizers people, they are so much motivating you to be active whenever the action stops or the group interest drops. So these are task oriented roles. Relations oriented roles are harmonizers. That is, there is a conflict and you try to resolve it. You are a harmonizer. You mediate group conflicts, or a mediator, we can say. Compromisers shift opinion to create group harmony. Okay, you adjust when you say you're not a loser. To keep the group harmony, you are actually putting your one step down. आपका ego hurt हो रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी आप उसको आगे नहीं कर रहे हो. जो लोग आगे करते हैं, they are not compromisers, they are the destructive people in the group, जो ego को ज्यादा अहमियत देते हैं. Okay, तो group motives, group objective achieve नहीं हो पाते. So compromisers are not the losers. You need to understand this. They shift their opinion to maintain the group harmony. So they are actually the heroes. Encouragers praise and encourage each other always. Not only the leader but each other peer में भी आपका encouragers होने जरूरी है. Expeditors suggest ways for accelerating the speed as well as smooth functioning of the task given. Okay, so suggest ways the groups can operate more smoothly. Probably role change हो सकता है, probably role supportive आ जा सकता है वहाँ पे. So you actually are the expeditors. Self oriented roles, these are the blockers. The people with good ego, super ego, these are the blockers. They have self motive more than the organizations or team motive. These are the destructors, blockers. They act stubbornly and resist to the group. Okay, मैं और मेरा maybe one or two people in the group who are on their side, probably because of the hierarchy, because of the interest, because of the selfish motive, they form a group which may create a what you can say, blocker, hurdle in the development of the group, in the development of the organization also. So these are the typical stubborn egoistic blockers. You need to stay away. You need to be very cautious about these people, and you yourself shouldn't be a blocker obviously, because ये आपका क्या बोलते हैं, ईगो को थोड़ा सपोर्ट अगर मिल भी जाए, people may listen to you, but then they are already switched off, and you are not a hero, you are a zero there. Okay, these are the blockers. Recognition seekers, they always try to have the attention. Okay, call attention to their own achievement. Okay, self boosters. Okay, अपना ही झंडा आगे करना, अपना ही ढिंडोरा पिटाना. Okay, these are the self oriented roles or recognition seekers. You need to be aware about this. Dominators, they assert authority by manipulating the group. अगर ये करेंगे तो ये मैं करूंगा. Okay, जैसे कुछ लीडर्स होते हैं कि अप्रेजल, ओके, किसी बंदे का अप्रेजल मेरे हाथ में है तो उसको किसी भी तरह हम खिलवाते हैं, खेलते हैं उसके साथ. Okay, you play games with that person, and they need to listen to you only because you have the authority to appraise them. So negativity भी बढ़ जाती है, and the person gets switch off later. और वो काम करता है, if that person is really having problems, psychological problems, behavioral problems, a weak person may definitely fall prey to this kind of dominators, and this is not going to work well for the organization. Avoiders maintain distance, isolate themselves from fellow group members. याच्यात पण नको आणि त्याच्यात पण नको, neutral. These are also not good. Okay, you cannot avoid the situation. You may avoid the situation for a certain amount of time, but not lifetime, or that you will be obviously ignored later or thrown out of the group. Okay, ultimately you cannot say that okay, जितना मैं avoid करूंगी उतना मेरे लिए safe है. It is not actually safe. You are actually creating a negative image also. Even neutral होना भी sometimes is not good. Okay, avoiders, these are the avoiders. So these are some of the roles commonly played by group members which we need to be aware about. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll take the session tomorrow on the same topic and probably end. We'll also talk about team dynamics, as we have talked about the group dynamics, and we'll also talk about what is a team and what is a group dynamics, both. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.